All right, y'all, quick video. We over here. I'm actually redoing the whole video, man, because the video is just too damn long. This is what we picking up. Found some matchboxes. Then got this one right here. And then restocked on the haulers. This gold one is pretty dope. All right, y'all, let's check it out real quick. It's restocked on these majorettes. Some pretty dope ones, man. Yeah, I'm gonna post this up right away. Y'all need to get down here. I got a lot of people down here, man. Ooh. Let's go. Egg warmers. Alright, guys, this is what's it, man. Look, I gotta go. I'm about to get hit by a sword. They got some new stuff over here. We're gonna cut it. I'm looking at this one. I'm gonna let someone else take it. Spending too much, man. Let's go.